A quality dive case for the Max 2 must be engineered with clarity, durability, and a robust depth rating in mind, all while preserving the integrity of the panoramic stitch. Here we will dive into 3 prominent dive cases for GoPro Max 2.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have FitStill Dive Case. The FitStill Dive Case for the GoPro Max 2 is often recognized for its focus on maximum depth protection, positioning it as a favorite for serious scuba enthusiasts. This waterproof housing case features an upgraded sealing ring and a reinforced buckle system that effectively prevents water leakage. It allows you to record underwater activities at depths of up to 40 meters without worrying about water damage, while maintaining clear and vivid image quality. Designed specifically for the GoPro Max 2 action camera, the diving protective shell uses a dual buckle structure for a more secure lock that won't loosen or fall off during use. The thickened body resists deformation, and the high-density waterproof ring ensures a tight seal, keeping water out and safeguarding your camera throughout your dive. Its reputation rests on providing a reliable, leak-free seal for demanding deep water environments, giving users confidence in extreme conditions. On number 2, we have Coyktonty Dive Case. The Coyktonty Dive Case for the Max 2 distinguishes itself by balancing depth protection with a strong emphasis on optical quality. While offering a competitive depth rating, often in the 30 to 45 meter range, the case is specifically designed to reduce the distortion and softness that can plague underwater 360 footage. This symmetrical locking waterproof case supports depths of up to 50 meters and features a highly reliable structural design. Its thickened body offers stronger durability and resists deformation, making it suitable not only for deep diving but also for full coverage protection of your camera and lens, preventing scratches and accidental drops from any angle. Built with optical-grade tempered glass, the lens area includes an AR coating that boosts light transmission to approximately 92%, achieving up to 98% clarity. The surface is also treated with a hydrophobic layer to prevent water droplets from sticking, ensuring your footage stays sharp and unobstructed. On number 3, we have Novelgoel Dive Case. The Novelgoel Dive Case often appeals to a broad range of underwater users by prioritizing ease of use, durability, and a dependable seal. While its stated depth rating may sometimes be slightly less aggressive than the deepest diving competitors, often targeting the recreational diver or snorkel enthusiast, it is renowned for its straightforward application and robust build quality. This waterproof case has been thoroughly tested to endure depths of up to 70 meters, making it an ideal choice for deep diving, surfing, and whitewater adventures. Its ultra-clear, nano-coated tempered optical glass ensures lifelike image quality with zero distortion. The upgraded push-button locking mechanism keeps your camera securely sealed, snapping firmly into place and remaining stable even during strong currents or vigorous activity. Built for harsh environments, the high-strength PC exterior provides outstanding protection against pressure, scratches, and impacts. Whether you're on rocky terrain or sandy coastlines, this durable shell keeps your camera safe from drops, bumps, and abrasions. So these are some of the best cases to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.